Hey folks, Jason here with a quick overview of the new Lenovo 300e Chromebook case from Gumdrop Cases. It's a two-piece design, custom molded to protect the keyboard and touchscreen portions of the 2-in-1 Chromebook. It's a lot compatible and installs in less than 20 seconds. The thermoplastic polyurethane, or TPU, that lines the outer edges of the case is a super tough, impact-absorbing material that helps protect against drops of up to 4 feet, yet the case is still thin enough to fit into charging carts. The case is so strong that it's been mil-spec certified, which means that in lab testing, it and the device inside survived drops of up to 4 feet, 26 different times. I'm looking forward to dropping this Lenovo 300e Chromebook, so let's get the case installed. This goes quick, so don't blink. First, place the laptop into the bottom portion of the case, starting with the front, and snap it into the back. Next, starting with the front edge, snap the top half on just like you did the bottom. That's all there is to it. In a few seconds, this Lenovo 300e is ready for action.